myself JV and Dr. Arun Kumar Singh, Faculty of Education and Mythology, Jyoti Vidyapit Women's University Jaipur. I welcome to all of you in my digital class B.Ed 4th semester. We will discuss the topic what is medicinal plant. Medicinal plant. Medicinal plants refers to using a plant's seeds, berries, roots, leaves, barks, or flowers for medicinal purpose. Example is tulsi, aloe vera, turmeric. Medicinal plants are plants that have a recognized medical use. Their use range the production of mainstream pharmaceutical products to herbal medicine preparations. Herbal medicines is one of the oldest forms of medical treatment in human history and could be considered one of the forerunners of the modern pharmaceutical trade. First, Tulsi, blood purifiers, preventions against malaria and dengue fevers. Chewing Tulsi leaves relieves cold and flu. Chewing 12 leaves of basil twice a day prevent stress. Second, them neem. Neem inhibits allergic reactions when applied externally or eaten. Oral dosage of neem leaf extracts reduced insulin requirements by between 30% and 50% for diabetes. Neem extracts give significant protections from uh, discomfort and speed the healing of gastric problems. Third, aloe vera, Greth Kumari. Green leaves contain aloe gel and a strictly aloe reduce called latex. Wound healings, treats sunburn, radiations induce skin reactions. Aloe with conditioner for silkier, smoother hairs. Vrengraj, the main herb for the hair care and cirrhosis. The root powder is used for treating hepatitis, enlarged spleen and skin disorders. Anti-inflammatory properties. The herbs is also used for treating hyperacidity. Turmeric stimulates digestion, boosts liver functions. When paired with vitamin D, curcumin may help protect against Alzheimer's disease. Ginger, stomach soothing effects, easing post-surgery nausea and bone. Ginger extracts may slow the growth of colorectal and ovarian cancer cells. Amla to stimulate appetite for hemorrhage, diarrhea and dysentery due to vitamin C and polyphenols is a antioxidants benefit hearts, eyes and brains. Lavenders, using the dried flowers in sleep and dream pillows in potpourris, sachets and talked in drawers to freshen clothing and repel moths. Brahmi, anxiety, effective irritability and insomnia associated with stress. Study poor memory and concentration, work related mental fatigue, poor brain functions after head trauma, asthma and bronchial asthma are inflammations, well gastroprotection properties, control of diabetes, cholesterol control, antimicrobial properties, anti-inflammatory properties, constipation, dysentery and diarrhea. Peppermint peppermint leaf tea is used for relief of unset stomach. Mint oils can actually dissolve gallstones. It is imperative to maintain a low fat diet, lose weight, and exercise regularly to help the peppermint oil work fast. Benefits: they cost less, they may have fewer side effects, there is a choice on how to use them, they are good for more than one conditions. Advantage: some advantage of medicinal plants: